you are about to go on the Carnival Sunshine, or you've already been on the Carnival Sunshine. We've been on there several times ourselves. Absolutely love the ship. But this video is about all the food options. There's about 10 included and another 9 specialty dining paid options. Let's check them out. One of our favorite places to eat at is Guy's Burger Joint. And yes, all Carnival ships have it, or all that I've been on anyway. But Guy's Burger Joint just does not disappoint. Is it the best burger you ever had? No. But hey, the staff there is always friendly. They got great fries. Fries have changed a little bit over the years, but the burgers, they have 4 or 5 different options you can get on your burgers. You got to try out Guy's Burger Joint on the Carnival Sunshine. One of our go-to places is Blue Iguana Cantina. Love their huevos rancheros breakfast item they have. They also have the breakfast burritos. And then lunchtime, you can get the tacos. My son loves the chicken tacos they have there. They also have the beef ones. And they also have your fixin' bar here for it. So we always hit Blue Iguana. And my son eats there about every day. The main dining room, don't skip out on this. It used to be, in my opinion, worse than what it is now. It's gotten better over the years, in my opinion. Now, is it as good as it was prior to the pandemic? I'm not quite sure about that because we never ate there then. But I know these chicken tenders here with this noodles and this chili on them is absolutely great. So hey, don't skip out on MDR. It is included. Try it out. Now, I have to be completely honest with you. We are not Marketplace Lido buffet people, but we did go through here and get some video of this for you. Some people love it. Some people hate it. We've ate there a couple of times, not big fans of it, but it is included. So if you want something different, try it out. They do have a dessert area. They also have a pretty good salad bar and some fruit as well. Normally, I am a fan of C-Day brunch. Again, huevos rancheros, omelets, hash browns. My wife got a steak here. Now, I would stay away from the steak personally. A lot of gristle, a lot of fat. But some people love it. They also have some burgers there as well. And here my son got some chicken and waffles. Well, not so great on the chicken. It's late at night and all there is pizza. Not so fast, my friend. They have brought back the late night snack and it's pretty good. I mean, it's not high quality, but yeah, they got some pizza here. They got some deli sandwiches. They have hot dogs. The chicken tenders are our favorite off this late night buffet. They have some soup. They also have some salsa and chips as well. Who doesn't like pizza? Again, this is one of the only late night options they used to have, but now they have brought back that snack bar. But hey, pizza, you can get it in several different ways, you know, pepperoni, cheese, and then they got the other ones here up on the board. But hey, don't skip out on the pizza if you're wanting something a little different. One of the most underrated, in my opinion, is the deli. Free included option, great fries. This actual video right here is from another ship because I can't find my Carnival Sunshine, but do not skip out on the deli. Carnival Sunshine has one and it's really good. The meatball sandwiches, the ham sandwiches, the Cuban, the Reuben, all favorites of ours. Chicken salad's not that bad either. They got a hot and cold side. All right, so the Captain's Pasta Bar, it is included during the daytime. It's in the Havana bar area. Definitely got to check this place out. They also have a Mongolian wok next door to this. You want to check that out as well. Both in Havana bar area. They have like a vegetable beef, like a roast beef type lasagna. I like it. Some people hate it. Then they have regular pasta, Alfredo, salads, bread. It's included. Go for it. I almost forgot the Mongolian wok. Now, they've changed the way they do this on the Carnival Sunshine now. You used to be able to take your food up there. You put all your vegetables in here. They choose your beef, your meat, whatever meat you wanted in here. They fry it up for you. Now, they have a pre-order and you choose what you want. But here's a video of them cooking it up for you. Definitely try this out. Sometimes this line can get pretty long for it, but I would definitely try it out because it is included and it comes out hot to you. Now we're into the paid options, and our number one favorite paid option, especially for the money, is Cocina Del Capitano. Now, don't get me wrong, the steakhouse is awesome. We're going to show you some video of that here in a second. But for the price of 18 bucks, this roasted garlic, you got the chicken parmesan, you got Alfredo, you got spaghetti, you got shrimp you can put in here. Absolutely love Cocina. The bread they bring out, the dessert is awesome. Definitely try it out. Another one of our favorite options is Gigis. Yes, it's in the Savannah bar area as well. Late in the evening, you got Cocina's on one side, Gigis on the other. Both are paid options late in the afternoon. Both are free and included during the daytime, Mongolian wok and the pasta bar. But at nighttime, Gigis, got to try it out. Again, $18 a plate currently in 2023. Definitely well worth it in our opinion. We've had one meal that was like, meh, it was still good, but it just wasn't over the top. But the other two meals were absolutely excellent. We definitely highly recommend it. The most expensive paid option is Fahrenheit 55 Steakhouse, but we have ate here twice, and both times it was absolutely excellent. I got the surf and turf. My wife just got the filet mignon. Baked potatoes are great. Mac and cheese is great. The cheesecake they have at the very end is always awesome. The hazelnut, I think is what it's called, cheesecake. But man, it is also always good. Cooked to perfection. I like it medium. Here it comes out medium. Really good. Try it out. If you like sushi, you cannot go wrong with Bonsai Sushi. It is a paid option. This huge boat that you're going to order for two is absolutely incredible. My wife here was not a big sushi person. I am. I'm going to tell you what, I ate up almost this whole thing by myself. Several different mixtures. You got a salad as well. Definitely worth the cost in my opinion. You can also get this boat in the main dining room. A few other food options are the pizza delivery that can be delivered anywhere on the ship or even to your room. You got green eggs and ham breakfast. That is additional charge. Again, I just mentioned room service, 24-hour room service. Then you got the chef's table. Also, there's a pretty high price on that. We have not checked that out. And then Java Blue, you can buy some desserts or sandwiches there as well. Hey, please like and subscribe to our channel. Come visit us on Facebook at Lovey's Fat Life. Just do a search on that and we'll throw you in the group. And we like to talk about food and travel.